Hello. So I just received this, which is very exciting, and I thought I might do an unboxing for you since this box is actually quite beautiful. Don't quite know how I'm going to do this unboxing because this video angle is kind of awkward, but just bear with me. So if you don't know what Fudgey Pants is, it is a cloth nappy company designed in New Zealand, and I believe this one is a 3-in-1/2-in-1/pocket nappy. I haven't tried them before, so they had a sale on and I bought a bunch of them, even though Lucas is like 1.5 and I'm hoping he's out of nappies soon, but he's a very heavy wetter, so I thought we'd give these ones a go. So here we go, beautiful box here. I might just move them down so you can actually see it on the bed. Here we go. So this looks like very eco-friendly tape they've used, which is awesome. Oh, it's got nice embossed Fudgey Pants written in there too. I love this box. Can you see this? Beautifully packaged. The tissue, the Fudgey Pants sticker. I'm a sucker for good packaging, so and this is like everything you need to know about the nappies, pretty much. Fit suggestion, insert, booster, absorbency, the different kinds of inserts you can get, how to use it as a pocket nappy, I think. The rise snaps, the waist snaps, it's pretty much all the instructions you need. It's got the wash routine, overnight use, which inserts to use. So I'll open it up and have a look at what I actually got. This is so exciting. My husband thinks I'm weird that I get so excited by nappies. But here we go. This is a beautiful penguin design. I think it's actually New Zealand Hoiho. Lots of the Fudgey Pants designs are New Zealand inspired designs, which is nice. I think this is like one of the artistic designs. Well, that's what they call it. I think this one is Prince. This is the Buzzy Bee one with Pahudakawa, another New Zealand kind of themed one. This one's pretty cool. I can't remember what all these ones were called, but yeah, they're really nice. Quality seems pretty good. And this was just the second that I got. It's one of their fitted nappies, which you use with a cover over the top, a PUL cover. So we'll have a look at the insides of the nappies. The inserts are in the box. There you go. So it's got a pocket, I believe, in the back. Which I haven't, the pocket's in the front. That's different to what I'm used to, but cool. It's pretty standard, really. I don't think, it seems to have a little bit of absorbency in here. And this, yeah, there we go. So there's a little bit of absorbency in there, which I don't know if is a good or a bad thing, because I guess it will make it take longer to dry. All looks really good quality. But because it's got that absorbency in there, they are a bit thicker than your normal kind of shells. Okay. I guess then you've got the snaps on the front there. Pretty standard kind of design. But you've got these are I got the overnight a set of overnight inserts, so I guess these are the overnight ones, because Lucas is a very heavy wetter, and I thought maybe the overnight ones would be good during the day even, because he goes through his nappies so fast. So I got 4 of those. These are hemp. These overnight inserts. Okay, and I got them bamboo microfiber standard inserts because they said that the hemp can kind of shrink up a bit when you wash it, and you have to kind of stretch it out, and I was like, ugh, I can't be bothered with that. Also the microfiber bamboo dries faster, so got those are nice and soft. They just snap together, a smaller one and a bigger one, so for a boy I would, well, depending on how they fit in there, if they snap on to the front, which I'm hoping they do, then I would fold it up for a boy to get that absorbency in the front. Yeah, so there's just one set of those for each nappy. Let's have a look. I can see if I can quickly put it in now, because I don't want this video to be too long. Oh yeah, so there's a, oopsie, there's a snap in the front there for these to snap into, I guess. Well, I could just read the instructions and then find out, but these are usually pretty intuitive cloth nappies. There we go. Yeah, snaps into the front. I would fold that up. I don't know if you can see. Fold that up for a boy. Looks fairly trim, but maybe not so much if I'm going to put this in there. Looks quite big, but maybe I don't know. I will work that out. Maybe do a review on them after I've used them. So that is it. I don't think there's anything else to this packaging. See, there's any treats or anything in here. Just my receipt. Thanks so much. Nice little note there, but that's it. Just beautiful packaging. Really nicely done. Can't wait to try out the product. Thanks for watching. Bye.